Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics here to introduce our newest block of the month. This is called Forever My Valentine. We did this once before in a slightly different layout and a completely different fabric collection. But when I saw these amazing fabrics from Laundry Basket Quilts by Andover, Strawberries and Cream, I knew it was the perfect time to reintroduce this Valentine block of the month. This will be a 10-month program, and you definitely want to be a part of this. So much fun. Of course, for 9 months, you'll be getting your background, your prefused laser cut applique, and in the 10th month, your sashing cornerstones, inner border, outer border, binding, and of course, be sure to pick up this gorgeous backing. This fabric, I wish you could touch it. It's so soft and beautiful, and of course, a quilt of this caliber deserves that perfect backing. Besides that design that I love, which is exclusive to Shabby Fabrics, we designed that right here. One of the other things that we love about this is all of the embellishments that we put onto the project. You're seeing some of those here on the dish, but I want to zoom in on the quilt, and we have these beautiful three-dimensional felt flowers. That's a wool felt that we're using for that. The center of the flowers are hand-pressed buttons. We do that here, one by one. It's a very time-consuming process, but we thought we just love the dimension of that versus just being kind of a piece of fabric. So we made sure to include that in your embellishing kit as well, which will be shipping with your final shipment with that finishing kit. We have some lovely pearl accents kind of sprinkled around as well, kind of almost like a baby's breath. But my favorite embellishment that I want to call your attention to is actually up in block 3. Our lovebird has the key to your heart there. It's a beautiful key that we were able to find. It's made of metal, and I just love that that embellishment is included there. This is really one of those types of quilts that you'll be so excited to display year over year. With any applique or any quilt you're doing, of course, you're going to need some key supplies. And of course, with the thread set, maybe one of the first things you want to add on after you've, of course, grabbed your spot, grabbed your backing. That's the thread set that we use to stitch down all of our applique. So just be sure to pick that up. Super affordable. And of course, we love to pre-assemble our applique using the light box, the Applifuse mat, so that we're pre-assembling all of that and moving shapes onto the background as complete units instead of one by one. Be sure to check out any really of the other videos we have on YouTube where I'm doing applique demonstrating the use of the light box and that. And you can see it's a really neat process. And of course, the other things that you'll need, a fresh blade and a rotary cutter to get those nice clean cuts, good thread, good needles, and so on and so forth. Be sure to grab your spot, limited as always. This one's extra special. I love all the beautiful embellishments and the colors of this collection. Just set off the design like no other. Grab your spot, your backing, your thread set, anything else you might need, and I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.